KARMILA binti AHMAD FAIZI, and my matric number is 13DDT23F045. Testimony is a statement from customer or client that share their positive experience with a product or service. It's actually as a social proof, showing potential buyer that others have benefit from the offering, which help build trust and credibility. Problem solving in copywriting involves identifying challenges in communication or messaging and finding ways to address them effectively. This can be include: firstly is understanding the audience, second is clarifying the message, third is overcoming objection, and lastly is creating a call to action.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is ZAFRAN by FADZLI and my matric number is 13DDT23F103 and 3. And I'm going to explain about the people motivation. This technique engages reader by tapping into their emotion and aspiration. It highlights benefit, create vivid imagery, and addresses specific desire, compelling them to take action. By using persuasive language and a strong call to action, it inspires individual to pursue their goal and unlock their potential.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYUKUR bin AZAHARI. My matrix number is 13DT23F1029, and I'm going to explain about unique selling point. This technique emphasizes on what sets a product or service apart from the competition. By clearly differentiating the unique benefits and features, it addresses the specific needs and desire of the target audience. Effective copy highlights these distinctive qualities in a compelling way, making it irresistible and motivating potential customers to choose it over alternative.
Hello, my name is SITI FARAHANI binti JALAIDI and my matric number is 13DDT23F1005. So, there have two marketing tools that such a technique to make people attract with our content by using social media. First is soft sell. This approach is less aggressive. The focus is on building a relationship and trust with the customer, often providing information or advice or solution without pressuring them to buy. It's typically used in industry where the customer may need more time to make a decision. For example, offering helpful tips about a product before suggesting a purchase. For soft sale, we usually use Facebook to make content. Second is hard sell. This approach is direct and more forceful. The goal is to close deal with quickly with urgency or pressure on the customer to buy now. It's common in fast-paced environment where immediate sales are important, such as buy now before the price goes up tomorrow. In short, soft sale is gentle and relationship focused, while hard sale is pushy and results oriented. We usually use Instagram to make our content.
Hi, my name is Siti NAJIHAH binti PIAH. My matric number 13DDT23F1021. Okay, so this is Facebook. Facebook is a social networking web platform that allow register users to create profile, upload photos and videos, send message, and that promote and facilitates interaction between other people. So FB also usually using by older people. This is Instagram. Instagram is a photo and video sharing social networking service. Posts can be shared publicly. Instagram also usually using by teenagers and younger generation because it's trending on their circle. This is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a general platform that can be used by everyone and there is no age limit. The advantage of customers by using WhatsApp is that they can directly contact the seller and get a response as the customer wants.